Hey y'all, welcome to MJ and me. So we have a mukbang for you all. Let me move this out the way. And we're having twisted crab. I have some shrimp with the head on and a potato and a thing of corn. He has, what is this? Oh, that's some big crawfish. He has crawfish, crab legs, and corn and potato. So we're going to say grace and then we're going to eat. Father God, we thank you for this food that we're about to receive. Let it be nourishment to our bodies. Bless the hands that prepared it. Take out any impurities and bless those who don't have food to eat. In Jesus Christ's name we pray. Amen.
I was about to put it right here, but it got these.
It's leaking.
Yeah, so I can put it on there.
So we got this from, it's a local seafood place. We got a couple of them around here, but this is the best one that I eat from. Because other places, look how big that shrimp is. Other places, the seasoning be horrible. So I try to stick with the same seafood places. Seafood is not cheap, even though I got a good deal on today. They were running a sale.
Oh,
you got on your shirt. Go change your clothes. Cause that's no stain. Go wash your hands and then change your shirt. They were running a sale where it's buy a pound of shrimp, but you only pay, but it's priced as a half pound. So I got a pound for the price of a half, which is a good deal. So it didn't come out to as much as I'm used to paying when I go there. So I was shocked, but do me a favor, MJ. On the controller, you see a button that's in the middle that has a T and a W?
yeah.
Press the T a little bit so it can zoom in.
Stop.
A little bit more? Okay, hold on. Now press the W. Okay, that's good. So the seasoning I got is garlic butter and lemon pepper mixed. If we do, it'll be in the pantry. I don't know if we do. But I got lemon pepper and garlic butter mixed with no spicy. He got the same seasoning, but his is spicy. But you don't want that. Yeah, you don't want that. Do y'all suck the head of the shrimp? Some people do, but
Do it.
no, not with them little beady eyes.
Do it.
He sucks the head of the
No, like
the
not
crawfish.
the head.
the body of the crawfish.
Ooh, look at you.
Those some big crawfish.
Yeah, I know you gonna have some juicy. Ooh.
Now I can't see the top of your head.
Okay. There you go.
I like using these gloves because they keep your hands from getting so messy. But they hard. It's hard to peel a shrimp with them.
So it's like advantage but a disadvantage at the same time. It's power, but there's a coast.
That's real deep, a curse.
Oh yeah, because like almost on each show, I know superpowers. On this, always have to be like a downside. But that was not really like a superhero movie though. But yeah, this show.
How we go from talking about gloves to superhero?
I don't know.
This shrimp a little overcooked.
Yeah, hot or bone.
When shrimp is overcooked, it sticks to the shell more. When it's cooked right, the shell will peel right off. No problem. Yeah, on this channel, we gonna be doing many mukbangs because I gotta get my diet back together.
Yep. After my mama birthday, happy birthday to you. 4 more days left. Yeah, 4 more days.
So yeah. So it's not gonna be a mukbang. It's really just gonna be
Like a
just
fun
me
show.
and him, just different things, vlogging. He's into cooking, so we're gonna be cooking recipes and stuff. We tried to do the mozzarella sticks in the whole video. Somehow I lost all of that footage. I don't know what my camera did.
Even the mozzarella cheese just not
Yeah,
missing.
that was a failure for somehow.
Yes, it was kind of scary because it's like each mozzarella I open, I just see no cheese. When I bite into it,
yeah, someone was missing cheese, which is weird. Because even when I washed the pan that we cooked in, it wasn't like I seen burnt cheese in there or anything. So it's like, where did the cheese go? I don't know. It was weird. Okay, next time. Because we use the cheese, the string cheese. So next time we're going to follow the actual recipe that I looked up.
but with the hot cheese.
And use the real, the other mozzarella cheese that comes in like a block.
Man. Oh my goodness gracious. Woo! Love that sauce.
Yeah, they season their
Do we have paper towels? Well.
Right here.
Man, what did you put over there?
Because I had to move it out the way. But I don't want to touch it because my hands are way messy. You're going to have holes in these in the pants doing it. You could have just reached up under. we're not gonna be doing a whole bunch of mukbangs. I don't know. He might do some after he cooks or whatever to taste, whatever he cooked.
Yep, I'm gonna be cooking for you, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'm gonna make something nasty for you.
You gonna make something nasty for me? Oh, I ain't eating none of your stuff then.
Wait, mom, please, please, mom.
Nope.
Wait, hold on. I want.
Nope. Now
I want you, mommy. I should have shut up.
I'm trying to change it now.
Mom, please, mommy. Oh my, look.
That's a big piece of meat. These are some big crawfish that they have. Usually crawfish be little.
Mommy, I love this sauce.
You probably should have got you a bag. You could put shells in.
Oh, look. That didn't just slide.
Show the camera. Boy, you supposed to. You ain't a real mukbanger.
This. I don't care. I like the food. You feel me?
Oh my goodness.
Less talking, more eating.
They said it's a pound of shrimp. It don't look like a pound, but these are big shrimp. So it probably is a pound.
Do you need a thing?
What?
A bag?
No, I'm using this.
The sauce so delicious. Whoever made the sauce? Whoever made the sauce? You get A+.
Yeah, their seasons be on point. That's why I go there. Cause some places,
Be trash.
hey, I ain't say that deep. They just don't be putting no seasoning on their stuff.
That'd be awful. That'd be.
And it be liquid in the bag, but no seasoning. It just tastes like.
Oh, is that the lost crab? Crawfish?
Tastes like water. Hey, you killed them.
Oh.
And I got him a half a pound of crawfish. But they are big, so I'm guessing that makes a difference.
Yeah.
Move that bag, MJ. Nobody want to see a bag. They want to see what you're eating. Put it on the other side.
Okay.
Don't let, boy, you going to be cleaning up.
Oh, then drop.
Just move your plate over this way so you can have more room on this side. Oh, excuse me. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. So we're going to be doing vlogs and stuff like that on this channel. But, I did a prank on him today.
Oh, God.
So, if y'all haven't checked out that video, check that out.
No, please.
Because it'll be up before this one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you see, Mama. Oh! You're crushing apples.
It's hard to peel.
Yeah, it's not hard. Oh, yeah.
at church today, so we're eating a little later than usual. Usually, we try to eat dinner around like 4 or 5. Just to give food time to digest before we go to bed. But we had church.
Hey, man. Shoot.
You're not gonna be doing that while we eat.
Yes, we are.
Don't make me knock you out on camera.
Oh my goodness, child abuse.
Ain't no child abuse. It's parent abuse.
Hey, what?
Sitting here farting while I'm eating. Parent abuse.
I'm trying to keep down, but like some reason my legs just want to go up. Oh yeah.
I said no spice. There's a little spice in this. I think it's just the seasoning itself. I'm very spicy sensitive, if there's such a thing.
Spicy.
So stuff that would be regular to people, to other people, it'd be spicy to me. He be eating. He be going overboard on some of his spiciness.
Yes, my spice tolerance is 5,000. My sour tolerance is 100.
Let me get some of that.
Wait, no one got 2?
Huh?
No one got 2 comments?
There should be 2 clusters, but it might not be. It is 2 clusters. It was only a pound.
Wait, what's the... That's only mine.
It's one.
That's not...
Oh, I don't know, child. I ain't get many.
Okay.
Cause I'm not gonna eat them much.
I mean, yeah. I mean, it doesn't matter though. I know I got back up. My legs want to go up. If they say they want to go up, they go up.
Whew, yeah, I'm getting full. My body can handle seafood really well, though.
About spicy food.
You already know, okay?
You're choking on those hot Cheetos.
It'd be good though. I like the taste. If it's spicy with a flavor. I like the taste of spicy foods, but it's just I be choking.
Mommy, I got a question. What is one of the most important fingers?
Most important finger? Your thumb.
Yep.
It's the most used finger.
Yeah. Now mommy, this game room that like this guy lost his thumb, and then the guy said, no, get the pinky, not my thumb.
Because now you can't play this game.
Yeah. Because like the pinky doesn't really do that much. Or does it? I'm not sure.
I'm sure it does a lot, but not as much as your thumb. Sometimes you don't know how important some little body parts are until you lose it.
Yeah.
Or you see somebody else that lost it.
I have to be thankful you had all your body parts. Because some kids that born don't have a leg or arm.
But they still have life.
Life.
But they have something to be thankful for too. That's some good corn. You had 2 corns. Why you get 2 and I get 1?
Yeah. Take my corn.
You don't want it?
Nah. Oh, he had one.
I'd rather have the corn than the potato. I'm about full now though. Woo!
I had 2 potatoes and 2 corn. And just one of these. What, and another one?
Those are about full. Got to be down for the count.
Mommy, look. See the pink? It's how you crack meat.
You can't quite get it yet.
It's a fan. Ooh.
Oh.
It's a thing that I use my both thumbs and then just push. But sometimes you can't do it too much or like too fast, or it's just gonna hurt your thumb. So that's why I do it slowly.
I got corn all in my teeth. You see it?
I wonder if Jordan and Paris staying at Grandma's house.
They got school tomorrow.
Oh. I mean, well, not Paris though.
Paris got school too.
He does?
And Jordan.
Paris told me he don't have school Mondays.
I don't know about that. All right.
Yeah.
Yep. Paper towel.
But I be done too. After this, I'm done.
Got corn all in my tea. That was good. It hit the spot. Is that a shell?
Yeah.
Or is it meat in there? It's meat in there, child. You gotta crack it.
This one never cracked when you're done. Because most of the time I'm just gonna make your thumb.
Alright, y'all. So we are going to end this video. Hope y'all enjoyed our little mukbang. Baby mukbang. It's enough for us. Because I don't eat that much.
Me either.
Yeah. So, we eat till we're satisfied. But yeah. So that is it for this video. We'll check y'all out in the next one.
just saying we.
What you got left in there?
Crab. I mean, like one potato and crab.
Put the potato in here.
Because I'm not gonna eat this potato.
Oh, you gotta drop it like that.
You okay?
I'm trying to get up.
You will never get up.
Boy.
You will stay here forever and ever.
Yeah,
I will have to. You can't kick me. Whoa, whoa! I was just joking, Mom. I was just joking. I was joking.
Woo!
That was fun.